Activating your new Tracfone online, a step-by-step guide. Congratulations on your new Tracfone. To get it up and running with calls, texts, and data, you'll need to activate it online. Here's a simple guide to walk you through the process. Before you begin, locate the red activation card that came with your Tracfone. You'll need the IMEI-MEID serial number printed on it. Decide if you want to keep your old phone number. If so, have your current carrier account information ready. Make sure you have a web browser and an internet connection on your computer or another device. Let's get started. Head to the Tracfone activation page. Open your web browser and visit Tracfone Activate website. Choose your activation path. On the Tracfone website, you'll see two options: New Phone and Keep Your Own Phone. Since you have a new Tracfone, select New Phone. Enter your phone's information. Locate the IMEI-MEID serial number on your red activation card. Carefully type this number into the designated field on the Tracfone website. Keeping your old number optional. If you want to transfer your old phone number to your new Tracfone, choose the Keep My Phone Number option. You'll then need to enter your current carrier information, including your account number and phone number. Note: transferring a number might take some time depending on your old carrier. Review and accept terms. Carefully read through Tracfone's terms and conditions. Once you understand and agree, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Choose your service plan. Tracfone offers various service plans with different amounts of minutes, texts, and data. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Finalize activation. Once you've chosen your service plan, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. This might involve entering your payment information or redeeming an activation code. Congratulations! You should receive a confirmation message once your Tracfone is successfully activated. Additional tips: if you encounter any issues during activation, Tracfone offers customer support through their website or by phone at 1-800-867-7183. Keep your red activation card for future reference. It contains important information about your phone. Download the Tracfone app to manage your account, refill airtime, and monitor your usage. By following these steps, you should be able to activate your new Tracfone online quickly and easily. Now, enjoy making calls, texting friends, and exploring the internet with your new phone.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, share, and like the video, and thanks.